air fryer is incredible, and I'm going to break down everything that comes with it at the end of this video, but I just wanted to first show you how easy it is. Tonight I just wanted to make these pierogies, and literally all I had to do was coat them in a little olive oil and dump them in the fryer. That's it. No prepping or waiting for the oven to heat up. I just hit the specs on the fryer that the pierogi box gave me, and you can even adjust the time right in the middle of them cooking if you need to without interruption. And when they were done, they were a nice and browned and crispy, toasted, so much better than any time I've cooked them before.